Newton's first law states that an object at rest remains at rest, and an object in motion remains in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's second law of motion states that net force is equal to mass times acceleration. The unbalanced force of an object determines how much an object speeds up or slows down.